All right, this is break ID number 317. 2017 Absolute Football. One box break. This was a buy one, get two free, so for what you paid, you got 3 spots total. So let's pull up the alphabetical list and randomize each side 3 times. And there you go. There are your teams. I'll leave it up there for a minute. All right, here we go. Sorry about that, Nick. Lawrence Taylor. Oh, this is a cool vet auto. 21 out of 49, Iconic Ink, Rod Smith. A short print vet auto to Denver. Nick, B.O. There you go, Nick. Sorry, but nice vet short print auto. And Big Ben, 61 out of 99. To Pittsburgh, Sean, M.O. Brian Hoyer. And Julian Edelman. Well, Alvin Kamara, rookie roundup insert. And Caleb Caleb Brantley auto, rookie auto out of 325. To Cleveland, Sean M.O. And 7 out of 9, triple jersey, Warren Moon, Randall Cunningham, and Brett Favre. To Minnesota, Sean M.O. Andrew Luck, Sam Bradford. And last mini box. Jamal Adams out of 499. And nice RPA, triple, dual patch ball auto, Curtis Samuel, 35 out of 99. Carolina, that is John B.Y. Tony Dorsett out of 100. Gronk. And Trevor Siemian. All right. Thanks a lot for those. We will get those right up for you. And we actually can go right into the next one.